YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully, back with another video. Hope everybody is doing well today. Had a good trading day. Before I get into the analysis for May the 5th, I got a few announcements. Number one, I am going to be dropping the breakdown of gold, so look out for that on Friday or Saturday. So I've been getting quite a few requests to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and drop that video for you guys. Hopefully you pick up a lot. It's just the way I trade gold. I'm not saying it's the best way or the only way, but it's the way that I do it. So hopefully you guys get some value out of that and can trade that more confidently. Second, I'm doing a free session for one of the viewers who reached out to me. I can't do this all the time, but he's been working hard. He's been sending me pictures, telling me about his progress. So I'm going to sit down with him on Saturday, and I'm going to record that session as well and upload it for you guys. So shouts out to him. It should be a good session. Nothing too long, 30-45 minutes. And he's going to bring some questions, and it's going to be like a Q&A. I'm going to show him some things on the chart, see what he's been doing, what's been working, because that's the way I trade. Like, what works, I'm just going to keep doing that. I don't want to know every strategy. I don't want to know every setup. I want to know what works and just keep doing that. So it should be good. So that's it. So let's go ahead and get into the charts real quick as well. If it's your first time seeing me, I do these Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. They're pretty quick and concise. I go through a few pairs, and I keep the analysis short and simple so everybody can use it and apply it. All right. Also, leave a comment, drop a like, subscribe if you like the content as well. I do appreciate it. We're getting close to 60 subscribers. I would like to try to get to 100 here in the next few weeks. I know I got to do my part and drop more content than just analysis, so I will be doing that. But yeah, if you do like it, if you want to subscribe, I do appreciate it. All right, so let's get into gold. Gold has been in this range for a whole week and a half now, so we just been bouncing up. We're still trying to get above here. It gets there and fails. We're trying to get this run up to 1800. So right now they're just holding price. I think there's some news tomorrow, so that could be some fuel for the rocket to push us up. But with gold, you know, it's very tricky to trade if you're not used to it, especially with it consolidating. So really no clear bias, but I am looking for buys to get above here eventually. So yeah, just take a look for buys and let's see if we get to 1800. H1 wise, there's really nothing to say, honestly. I mean, you can see it's literally just trading sideways in this range. So if anything, I would just look for if I'm going to look for a sell tomorrow, I want to see something that holds these lows. So if we get a stop hunt and it holds this low, that's what I'd be looking for, and if it's in the range. So let's bring the fib out. So yeah, that makes sense. So if we get a move buy zone area, not too much low risk because I don't want it to run, especially with equal lows right here. Price could just come take these out and then shoot up like a V spike or something like that. So just be very careful when you're going to trade it. Get your 25-30 pips and just get out. You know, it's not worth holding just because the swings, this could happen to you right here, you know, something like this. So yeah, just scalp it. If you're going to trade it, get in and get out. All right. EU, we have been negating this whole bull run right here with a couple of days of drop. So we have some more targets down low. We could go right here, and also we have previous day low, which is going to be your TP1. So we are going to be short for EU tomorrow. It definitely could bounce off this daily, but I don't like to play the guessing game, so I would just say go with your gut and go with what the chart's been telling you. So swing high, lower low to the left, lower low to the right. This candle broke this low and we had a 50-day drop, so bearish is definitely been confirmed on this. So Yeah, I'll be looking for shorts tomorrow on EU. H1 structure isn't too bad right here. Then we got another lower low. Sorry, lower high, lower high, lower high. So obviously, what do we want to happen, guys? We want to see price hold right here and not break structure. Okay, so let's bring the fib out on the M15 and get our range. So I would go, if I don't want, I mean, you can go to here just because I don't want it to break here anyways. Yeah, let's go here. So range is going to be kind of small. Actually, yeah, it's going to be kind of tight. So you don't want price to get above here, really. So actually, you need to move it. You can adjust your ranges as well. I mean, it's not a hard set. So anyways, I don't want price to get above here. So I'll be looking for sell zone in the 1.2 or 120 range. Or the low risk is fine too. As long as price doesn't break here, then I'm cool. Okay. And I'm going to be targeting, sorry, I mean to zoom out. I'm going to be targeting right here, which is going to be yesterday's low. Okay. So definitely looking for shorts on EU. GU, this has been a complete mess. Yeah, I don't even really want to do analysis on this because it's really not even worthy. This kind of just been like gold, just bouncing back and forth. I mean, that's what kind of happens getting towards the summertime months. Price starts consolidating, so we're getting towards that June and July time. So yeah, I mean, same thing as gold, honestly. I mean, I still want price to run these highs eventually. Lots of liquidity, lots of stops right here, lots of orders. People still holding, position traders, banks, things like that. So I still feel like if it was going to make a short, it would have did it right here and kept going. But the fact that it went straight up and we kind of just been playing around, and I know there's GU news tomorrow. I don't know what time, but I know there is GU news. So yeah, I think we can, if the news cooperates, we can definitely get to this level and run it. Okay. H1, really no structure to be had. We are on a mini uptrend right here. Okay, so we do want price to hold these lows, the lower highs right here. So this is cool and this is cool, so we don't want price to get below here. Going to the M15, if we're going to make a range, it's going to be super tight just because price hasn't been doing too much, but we don't want price to get below here. So low to the high. We want to look for price buy zone. Low risk buy zones okay, as long as it doesn't break the range low, we're good. W, stop hunt, cord of wood, railroad tracks, swing low possibly. Anything for entry trigger, just go ahead and take that. And I would target here first at the 1.39 300, and then my TP2 would be like this structure right here. Okay, so I mean, if you're a purist on the charts and you like trend lines, this is working out for you. All right, Bitcoin, I was completely and dead wrong about Bitcoin yesterday. I thought it was going to go short. It did move up. We do have some, I mean, this wick ran these highs right here, this wick. So if we're going to move up, I feel like we're going to go to here in this area. So it's been moving up. Right here we have structure on the daily, which isn't too bad. I was kind of hoping it was just going to trade down and take this low out and take these out, but it held it. So yeah, I'm gonna go with price going up here to this structure eventually. H1, we can see the structure a little better. This is the same thing as the daily. You can see the lows being held at each point and moving up. Kind of got an inverted head and shoulders, something like that. But yeah, I would hold and target here at like the 59,796 area. Okay. All right, y'all. So let's hit the M15. Let's get our ranges right. And y'all know I'm big on my fib ranges, so low to high. And we want price in the equilibrium buy zone area. Okay. And we wanted to hold this low. All right. And you can see even on the M15, we got structure right here. Now it's an M15, so it's a weaker confirmation, but you know, price could definitely hold like this low or something like that. And yeah, I would look for a buy on Bitcoin. Okay. And crypto's been going crazy too. I don't know if y'all got that that Dogecoin, but I got in around like 21 cents and I made like 200% profit. I didn't put a lot in, like a few $100s, but I mean, that's the cryptos is definitely if it's not the future, it's definitely on the rise. So I don't know how banks are going to adopt. I mean, banks are a dying tradition anyways. Like, I don't even see the point of even having a bank anymore, honestly, unless you're just looking to get like a mortgage loan or something like that. But even then, you can go through a third party. So I don't know, man. Times are changing, so you gotta adjust, and you gotta get money the way the world's telling you to. So yeah, I'm big on the altcoins, so yeah, Doge is doing good. But I digress. Let's go ahead in US 30. Like I was telling y'all yesterday, there's really no analysis to be had. It's a buy until otherwise shown. So until price like starts taking all of this out and like this wick, I mean, it's gonna be a buy. And this is all artificially pumped. I mean, with COVID and unemployment still bad and everything else, there's really no reason for this to still just keep pumping up like this. So you can see they're just holding price. They're not sure what to do yet, so it could just shoot up for whatever. I mean, this is the all-time high, clearly. I mean, what a run, man. Like, if you got like anywhere down here and you just held, but you probably made a smooth meal by now. But yeah, that's going to be an analysis, guys. Not even do the fib range on it because it's a buy until, like I said, otherwise noticed. But that's going to be it. Hope you guys enjoy the analysis. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Be safe, guys. Socially distance. Wear your mask. Sanitize your hands. You know, germs all in the face and the hands and the wrists and everything. But that's going to be it. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the analysis, any improvements I can make. Like I said, be on the look for the gold breakdown and the one-on-one with the viewer. So I'll be dropping that this weekend as well. But hope you guys have a good rest of your week. I will talk to you guys next time. Peace.